Hello and welcome. My name is Melissa. I'm the owner and artist at the Top Drawer RVA located in Richmond, Virginia. Today, I'm going to show you how to update and paint an old jewelry box. Featuring WoodUbend number 2092. Let's update this little thrift store find. We're going to use WoodUbend and Dixie Belle paint products. WoodUbends are stainable, bendable, drillable moldings. You can do anything to them that you would do with wood. Let's apply it to our little jewelry box. I'm going to use this little WoodUbend molding to accent the top. I will heat it with a heat gun or a hairdryer. I will apply the wood glue to the back of the piece. I will then attach it to the top of the box. Once it's on the top of the box, I will heat it again to make sure that it's attached securely and flat to the piece. There's no wait time when you're using WoodUbend moldings. You can go ahead and paint right over top of them as soon as you've attached them to the piece that you're working on. Let's accent the detail around that gorgeous WoodUbend molding. I used my brown and black wax with a small craft brush to apply it into all the details. I used a wet wipe to wipe back. This provides me with some amazing detail on the top of my box. To make that WoodUbend molding stand out even more, I applied some beautiful warm gold gilding wax. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for new videos.